Hi, here is the way how to download the IT drivers. Okay, first go to it.com, go to need help and download service, and many questions comes where to download the old model driver also. Okay, here I am just selecting the driver. Okay, Windows, and here you can see the model number 525 and 750 is there. Okay, now we are going to select the 525L. Okay, then click download. So it will download the 525 driver. Okay, also 525 firmware, you can go here and select Windows and select the P525L. Okay, download. So I have downloaded both the driver and firmware for P525L. So the same way you can download for 750, 910, all other model, whatever listed here. My many questions comes from where to download the old model, actually P510, P720L. For that you need to go to discontinued product. Okay, when you click discontinued product and select Windows, then click search, you will see all the old model. Okay, from 630 onwards, all the old IT printer model it's available. S420, S423, 640, CS310, 320, all the model. Here is the one P510S driver and firmware for Middle East region. Okay, also we can see P720L driver firmware is there. Okay, here I am going to now download the P510S driver and firmware for the Middle East version. Okay, it is downloaded. Okay, now it is downloaded. Okay, here you can see three version. Okay, one is driver and one is firmware, and this is P510S driver and firmware together. Okay, now here I am going to P525X driver, we are going to install it now. Okay, click extract all. Okay, it is extracting. After extract, you will see one new folder. So you can see here. Okay, there's a new folder has come. Okay, that folder is automatically open. You can close it. Yeah, just to open the folder. Okay, and click auto run. Click yes. Next. Start. It depends on the computer speed. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, now click USB. Okay, generate new printer. It's a default one. Just keep it like that only. Click next. Now the program is copied. Actually, the driver file is copied. Now we need to connect the USB cable and the power on the printer. Okay, see here you can see there is no P525 is installed. Now I am going to connect it and power on the printer. Okay, see now here you can see here one automatically unspecified one is come. Okay, it is installing the driver. Just we need to wait for some time. This window automatically disappear. Yes, it is disappear and it is installed. That's it. It is done actually. Okay, the same way you can install the P510, P720, all the driver model where you can install it. Thank you for watching. Thanks.